Retractable extension cords are essential for easy cable storage, reducing clutter, preventing tangles, improving safety, and providing quick access to power when needed. My today's video is about top 5 best retractable extension cord that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Will's Retractable Extension Cord. This heavy-duty 50 feet retractable extension cord reel is a smart, reliable solution for organized power in garages and workshops. Built with 14 AWG/3C wiring and rated at 13A, 125V, 1625W, it delivers consistent performance through 3 grounded outlets with a lighted power indicator for low visibility areas. The Stow PVC cord is tangle-free and engineered to resist oil, water, UV, ozone, and common garage chemicals, while remaining flexible in cooler temperatures. Its automatic retracting system smoothly rewinds the cord without kinks, and the ratcheting lock secures it at any length for convenience. A 180-degree swivel mounting bracket allows easy wall or ceiling installation and smooth pull from multiple angles. For added safety, the built-in 13A circuit breaker protects against overloads and short circuits. UL certification ensures dependable, worry-free use. Now our second product is FlexSillet Retractable Extension Cord. This retractable extension cord reel is a practical and well-built solution for keeping power accessible and organized in workshops and garages. The lighted triple-tap outlet provides ample capacity and clear visibility, while the built-in circuit breaker with reset button protects against overloads without the hassle of blown fuses. Its 14/3 AWG Stow oil-resistant cord stays flexible in low temperatures and stands up to oil, water, and sunlight, making it ideal for demanding workspaces. The adjustable cord stopper and locking system secure the cord in 1-foot increments, keeping outlets exactly where you need them. A swivel mounting bracket allows smooth extension from multiple directions and supports wall or ceiling installation. Rated at 1625W, 13A, 125V, and QLess listed, this Zilla Green cord reel combines safety, durability, and everyday convenience. Our third product is Vever Retractable Extension Cord. This Vever 45 feet heavy-duty retractable cord reel is built for serious performance in demanding environments. Featuring a 12 AWG/3C Stow cord, it delivers excellent durability and flexibility, resisting water, oil, acids, alkalis, and ozone while performing reliably in extreme temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Rated at 15A, 125V, and 1875W, it provides dependable power for high-demand tools. The automatic retracting system rewinds smoothly without kinks, while the upgraded spring, ratcheting lock, and adjustable stopper keep the triple outlet exactly where you need it. Installation is simple with a 180-degree swivel bracket, allowing wall or ceiling mounting for clutter-free storage. A lighted triple outlet improves visibility in low-light conditions, and the built-in 15A circuit breaker ensures safety. Ideal for garages, workshops, construction sites, and DIY projects, this cord reel delivers reach, reliability, and convenience. Now number 4, Black Plus Decker Retractable Extension Cord. The Black Plus Decker 50-foot extension cord reel is a reliable and convenient solution for outdoor power needs. Designed with 4 grounded outlets and a durable 14 AWG cable, it provides ample capacity to operate multiple tools or equipment simultaneously, from drills and table saws to electric mowers. The CSA-certified design ensures safety and compliance, while the built-in on-off switch with light indicator adds visibility and control. Its tangle-free retractable system, reinforced with an auto-locking mechanism and easy grip handle, keeps cords organized, preventing kinks and clutter. Safety is further enhanced with a built-in circuit breaker, automatically shutting off when the rated current or voltage is exceeded to protect both the devices and the cord. Compact, yet heavy-duty, This reel is ideal for gardens, backyards, garages, and outdoor workspaces. Combining portability, durability, and organized power distribution, it delivers practical, dependable performance for homeowners, DIYers, and professionals alike. And our last choice is SecPro Retractable Extension Cord. The SecPro 45 feet heavy-duty retractable cord reel is a versatile and durable solution for home, garage, and professional use. Featuring a 12 AWG/3C stow cord, it resists water, oil, acid, UV, and ozone while remaining flexible in extreme temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. The cord reel's automatic retracting system eliminates kinks and tangles, with a strengthened inner spring, ratcheting lock, and adjustable cord stopper, keeping the triple outlets within easy reach. Constructed with impact-resistant ABS plastic, it is UL listed for safety and durability. The swivel mounting bracket allows wall or ceiling installation, enabling smooth cord extension from multiple directions and saving space. The lighted triple output enhances visibility in dim conditions, allowing simultaneous operation of multiple tools. Ideal for garages, workshops, construction sites, and DIY projects, this cord reel combines convenience, safety, and long reach, making it a dependable, professional-grade solution for both residential and commercial applications. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.